Here we are with Polywash and a how-to so you know exactly what to do with this product and the benefits of it. You're going to take the cap off, break that seal. There's always a foil seal. Pour a little bit into it. I usually do a couple caps, 2 caps per gallon. Once you're done with that, you're going to take your hose, all right? And you're going to immediately suds it. Once you have your Polywash set up, you're going to take your applicator microfiber mitt like this. Get it nice and soaked and saturated. Hose down your vehicle. Get it nice and wet. Get it ready. Out of the sun. You're going to take that mitt and you're going to wash that surface. Make sure you get every square inch. Once you're done and you're confident it's done, you're going to hose it off. Very quickly, very easy. Notice how hydrophobic this product is. You get great protection, extreme hydrophobicity, and a really resilient shine out of this product. Now that I'm done, I'm going to dry it. I'll grab my microfiber towels, and it's as simple as this. Just dry it off. The whole point of using Polywash is to clean, to protect, but mainly to prep the surface before you use our top coat products.